Behold the vibrant city of Pattaya, an enticing blend of sun, sand and cultural richness. Nestled on the eastern Gulf Coast of Thailand, Pattaya draws in globetrotters with its spectacular landscapes and invigorating energy. A place where traditions meet modernity, it's a city that never sleeps, always brimming with life and excitement. Whether it's the allure of tranquil beaches, the charm of local markets, or the thrill of nightlife, Pattaya has something for every wanderer. From breathtaking beaches to thrilling attractions, Pattaya offers an unforgettable escape. Pattaya's beaches are its crowning glory, a haven for sunseekers and water sports enthusiasts alike. Imagine a stretch of golden sands that glisten under the tropical Thai sun, met by the crystal clear and inviting waters of the Gulf of Thailand. That's Pattaya Beach for you. It's the city's buzzing hub, filled with a lively energy that's both contagious and charming. Just a short drive away, we find Jomtien Beach, another jewel in Pattaya's crown. Offering a quieter and more serene atmosphere, Jomtien is the perfect spot for those seeking a peaceful escape. Here you can indulge in a good book, take a leisurely stroll, or simply sit back and enjoy the breathtaking views. But these beaches are more than just picturesque landscapes. They're hubs of activity. From jet skiing and parasailing to underwater diving and beach volleyball, there's something for everyone. These beaches offer a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure, making them a must-visit in Pattaya. Beyond its stunning beaches, Pattaya is a city teeming with exciting attractions. Now let's dive into some of these top destinations that make Pattaya a must-visit. First on our list is the Sanctuary of Truth. This architectural marvel is more than just a sight to behold. It's a tribute to philosophy, art and culture. Carved entirely from wood, the Sanctuary of Truth stands tall at 105 meters, each inch filled with intricate details that tell stories of ancient mythology and spiritual teachings. But it's not just about the visual splendor. The Sanctuary of Truth offers a journey into the human pursuit of truth and the deeper meanings of existence. Next, we venture into the heart of Pattaya's nightlife, the walking street. As the sun dips below the horizon, this 1-kilometer stretch transforms into a lively spectacle. From neon-lit nightclubs and exotic go-go bars to international restaurants and street performances, Walking Street is a vibrant blend of entertainment and culture. It's a place where you can drink the night away, savor world cuisines, or simply soak in the bustling ambience. Next, we arrive at the Pattaya Floating Market. Here's where you get a taste of traditional Thai life. Over 100 vendors in their wooden boats sell an array of goods, from local Thai food, tropical fruits, to handmade crafts. It's a unique shopping experience that's accompanied by the pleasant sights and sounds of the waterways. You can also catch cultural shows and demonstrations that add to the authenticity of the experience. Of course, these are just a few highlights. Pattaya is home to a multitude of other attractions like the Big Buddha Hill, Pattaya Viewpoint and Mini Siam. Each place offers its own unique charm and allure, making Pattaya a mosaic of experiences. These attractions offer a glimpse into the rich culture and vibrant nightlife of Pattaya, ensuring a memorable experience. So, when you plan your visit to Pattaya, make sure these top attractions are on your list. You'll be in for a journey full of discovery, delight, and unforgettable moments. As we continue our exploration of Pattaya, let's take a moment to marvel at one of the city's most noticeable landmarks, the Big Buddha on the Hill. Towering at an impressive 18 meters, this colossal Buddha statue is the largest in the region. It's more than just a stunning sight. It's a symbol of peace and a testament to the city's rich Buddhist heritage. The statue, known as Phra Buddha Sukthai Walai Chonlathan, is seated in the Mara conquering pose, symbolizing enlightenment and the overcoming of desire and fear. As you ascend the hill, you're greeted by the serene sound of bells. These bells, believed to bring good luck, create a tranquil atmosphere that contrasts beautifully with the bustling city below. At the summit, you're rewarded with a panoramic view of Pattaya City, its glittering coastline and the azure Gulf of Thailand. It's a breathtaking vista that's worth the climb. The Big Buddha is more than just a tourist attraction. It's a place of reflection and peace, offering a respite from the hustle and bustle of city life. Whether you're seeking spiritual enrichment or simply a magnificent view, the Big Buddha on the Hill is a must-visit when in Pattaya. So make sure to add it to your itinerary and experience the tranquility and beauty it has to offer. For those seeking adrenaline, Pattaya doesn't disappoint with its array of outdoor activities. Imagine plunging into the azure depths of the Gulf of Thailand, scuba diving among the vibrant marine life. For the underwater explorers, this is a world of its own, brimming with color and life. In Pattaya, the adventure never stops. It's an outdoor playground that promises a good time for everyone. From stunning beaches to cultural attractions and thrilling outdoor activities, Pattaya truly has it all. We've traversed the golden sands, explored the top attractions, and dived into the plethora of outdoor fun in this vibrant city. Through it all, the allure of Pattaya shines through, a gem that blends natural beauty, cultural richness, and adrenaline-pumping adventures. It's more than a destination. It's a mosaic of experiences waiting to be discovered. So, when are you planning your trip to Pattaya? A world of experiences awaits you.